Hello everyone. So in this short video I am going to tell you that how to make copy of a document and how to give access to the document. So let's open the Google Doc app which I just downloaded. You can also download from Play Store. So here it is. You need to sign up if you haven't signed up ever in Google Doc. So suppose this is there are multiple files are given. So first of all I will make copy of the first document which is six thinking. So when you click nearby these three dots which are just right to this document, make a copy. Click here, and if you want to give name to this document, suppose I just want to add copy word because it is my copy, and if you want to give another name, so you can give it. Here it is my drive. Yeah, it is in your drive. So this is just I wanted to show you. Just click on OK, and now this is copied. Here you can use this template. Now here you can add what you want to add in this document. So I will click on this pencil icon, and then I will start writing wherever I want to write. White hat. So if you want to write anything, what is your name? So this is how you can add it. My name is Gulshan. Fine, I have written. So this is how my document is ready. Now once your document is ready totally fully, click on these three dots which are on the right side. You will get multiple options. You have to just scroll it up, and then here it is written share and export. Click on share and export, click on manage and people, and now you can see manage access. So on the top it is written I am the owner, and if you see general access, if you general access restricted, you have to click on restricted on change button. When you click, you will get this restricted, only people added can one. Now here anyone with this links, once you click with anyone with the link, anybody can see or view your document. Fine. So view part is done. If you want that somebody can comment on your document, so give access of commentator. This is how anybody can comment on your document. If you want to give a option of editing, so the way you were writing in a similar way, if you want that somebody can add it in your document, so you can give access of editing. And later permission is edited. So there are three options of permission. View, where anybody can see only, the person can see or view your document only, the person cannot write at that particular time. Commentator, the person can comment. And editor, the person can add it in your own document. So this is how our access part is done. So from on the, if you see on the top this link button, here you have to click link copy to clipboard. So wherever you want to paste this document, you can paste it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope this video will help you to use the Google document easily.